are on our way now back to Cairns. We just left the accommodation we have here in Poland.
Sabby, can you give me my
And for the first time
shirt
it's
so I can dry my
raining.
hair?
So we just hope that none of the road going back to Cairns is flooded, because it's been raining since earlier this morning. Like we get up at 5 and it's already raining. By the way, this is the last leg of our journey, road trip from Cairns to Brisbane and back. It's been a very nice adventure. Hopefully we can show you around Townsville. I'm not too sure if it's raining in there or rain will ease or stop by the time we get to Townsville. Is it last year Townsville was flooded? I can't remember, was it 2 years ago?
The water.
Hi guys, so this is the rock pool. They call it rock pool, right? Here in Townsville, apparently they pump the seawater into the pool and then empty it out.
You can see the seawater coming in.
Oh yeah, here, see? There's a water in there pumping in and then going out, so they don't have to maintain it really much. It's a seawater swimming pool.
Look at that.
had a look around the lagoon, which is it tram they call it, and we have a breakfast. Now we're heading to Castle Hill, which is just here in front of us. That nice big rock, and we should have a nice view of the city and the surrounding.
The walker, you go for a walker. Look at the
I
hill.
ain't walking that long.
Walk up the hill.
Hi guys! Hello! We're here in Castle Hill. It's
Hi,
beautiful.
sisters! Don't you know James Charles? He goes, hi, sisters!
It actually has got 360 degrees view of Townsville. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Bilat!
Oh my god!
Oh, you scared the shit out of me, Bri.
You fall in a kabutar. What you said?
Say, can you throw my thong to me here
So that?
so that I love you for the rest of my life? Juliet. Juliet.
Ew.
Oh, please.
That's not what you
Throw
said.
My thong.
You said to me, I will throw this there.
And you'll get it back.
And you'll get it back.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
You want me to throw it?
Oh, this wasp is hanging around me.
He says, oh my gosh, this man stinks.
Hello. You're just smelling food on me.
He's going to bite you.
They only bite you if you try to hit them.
Yeah, I'm going.
You leave them alone, they're fine.
Come on, Bri. Go this way. I'll give you a slipper.
Stuntman! Yay!
Oh my gosh, come on. Hi guys, we are now heading back to Cairns. We just left Townsville, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, Popsy.
Bye!
Say bye, Sabi. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you like this video, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.